Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an interactive learning style assessment for education using Outgrow. Let's get started. Now let me show you how you can create this kind of interactive experience using Outgrow. Instead of building everything from scratch, we'll begin with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Open the AI Assistant and ask it to generate a learning style assessment for students. For example, you can prompt it with something like, create a learning style assessment that identifies whether a learner is visual, auditory, or reading within seconds. The AI generates a complete interactive assessment draft, including all the required questions and personalized outcomes are based on the user's responses. But remember, AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once the draft is ready, head to the Build tab. Name your project Learning Style Assessment. On the welcome screen, add a headline and a short description. Now, let's add a few questions inside the Build tab. Here are some example questions you can include in your assessment. Question 1. When trying to understand a new concept, how do you usually prefer to learn? Question 2. What kind of study aids do you find most helpful when preparing for exams? Question 3. How do you prefer to receive new information when learning something unfamiliar? Question 4. When memorizing information, what method typically works best for you? Question 5. What is your preferred way of learning a new skill? These questions help identify whether someone learns best through visual, auditory, reading, or hands-on experiences. You can continue adding similar questions like these to better understand the learner's preferences and accurately determine their learning style. Now let's configure the outcome screen. Based on the responses, the assessment can display personalized results. Here are some sample outcomes you can add. Outcome 1, your learning style is visual. Outcome 2, your learning style is auditory. Outcome 3, your learning style is reading or writing. Before showing the results, you can also enable a lead generation form. For example, you can ask for name email address. This allows education platforms to capture student leads while providing value through personalized insights. Next, head to the Overall Design tab to customize the look and feel of your assessment. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, and adjust fonts so the assessment looks clean, professional, and easy to use. Next, head to each question slide and map every option with the respective outcomes, and do the same process for all the questions added. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your learning style assessment. You can now share the live URL embedded on your education website or include it in course pages, blogs, or email campaigns. And that's it. You've now created an interactive learning style assessment using Outgrow and the AI Assistant, helping students discover how they learn best while driving meaningful engagement for your education platform. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building your own interactive assessments today.